I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select a trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Search and select an action. Registration. Choose an action type. Map the respective fields. You can send notifications by checking the box. Choose here the WP user role. You can check the box for auto login after registration. You can also map here meta field. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Now click on Save. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Now go to the user's dashboard. And here you can see after the form fill up the new user created successfully done. Thanks for watching.